Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Pavilion 14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP Pavilion 14 can hold a charge, it can be incredibly frustrating. This issue often arises due to the battery degrading over time, or it may be a result of faulty charging circuits. If not addressed promptly, you could find yourself unable to use your laptop without being plugged in, severely limiting its portability and functionality. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement battery suitable for your HP Pavilion 14 model. Begin by ensuring your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Next, remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep the screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Once the back panel is removed, locate the battery. It is typically a rectangular shape and secured with screws. Remove the screws holding the battery in place and gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old battery is out, take your new battery and connect it to the motherboard, ensuring a snug fit. Secure it in place with the screws you removed earlier. Before reattaching the back panel, double-check all connections and ensure there are no loose cables that could interfere with the operation. Carefully align the back panel and press down gently to snap it back into place. Finally, replace the screws to secure the panel. Now, power on your HP Pavilion 14 and check to see if the new battery is functioning correctly. If it powers up and holds a charge, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue from happening again, keep your laptop updated and avoid letting the battery drain completely on a regular basis. Charge it regularly and try to store it in a cool, dry place when not in use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.